Didn't even get to cross.
Hi, today is such an exciting day. I'm going to be setting up my Roth IRA with Vanguard. I'm going to go through the whole step-by-step process so you can do it with me. And then I'm going to go into doing my first deposit into the Roth IRA so I can invest into it. And then I'm just excited. Right now is the best time to set it up because since we haven't hit the April 15th, 2020 mark, we can invest into 2019, which the cap is at 6,000. So it's basically time traveling back to 2019, putting that money in there and then letting it do its work. And then the rest of this year, we can work on getting the money for 2020. So I want to hit on a few key things. The reason why I decided to do Vanguard is because they're an industry giant. They've been around for years on years. They also focus on mutual funds. So I'm not focusing on any short-term investments where this is a long-term growth. I'm not going to be touching this investment for 30 plus years. They're very low cost and they're a wide selection of funds that I can choose from. So that's great. The best way I'm going to show you how to do this is through my computer. So I'm going to switch over to that.
Hello from my voiceover. So first thing you want to do is open up internet, go to Vanguard.com, then you're going to go choose personal investing. And then at the top will be investing, then IRA, Roth, or traditional. And then you're going to open your IRA today. Then here you can choose a new account or move an account that you already have. And then I'm just choosing electronic bank transfer because it's easiest for me. Then I'm new here, and then it tells you that there's 3 easy steps that the application will take about 5-10 minutes, and then you have to wait for your confirmation, which can take 1 to 2 days. And then I'm doing retirement, and I chose Roth IRA, so make sure you choose that unless you do want to do a traditional IRA. And then the primary uses and secondary. Then from here is just your basic information, name, last name, gender, social security, and such. Just make sure you have that on hand so you can fill this out easy. And then obviously your mailing address, easy peasy stuff. And then from here, you put your employment information because you do have to put employee or money earned into your account. So they are going to need this. And then you're going to need your bank information. So this is the bank that they're going to put in a small deposit so they can confirm that it is your bank information. And then also if you want to do automatic payments, then you'll put that as well. And then you want to put as much as you want to contribute. I put 500, but you actually need 1,000 to do your first contribution. So just keep that in mind. And then I'm going to reinvest my dividend and capital gains just so I can grow it bigger. And then here's just the review and submit stuff. Just make sure everything's right, because that would suck. And then you do an electronic sign. Just read through all of this information. It's quite a bit. Confirm it, and then sign.
Three days later.
Then once you do that, then you go under my account and then account maintenance. And then they're going to want you to they deposited 2 amounts into your account, and you just put it in here so you can confirm that it is the proper bank account. Then it can take up to 10 days to get the actual amount that you put. And then go back into that same section, and then under buy and sell, this is where you can transfer that money once the money has hit. Here, I'm just showing you that I put only $500, and then these are all of the amounts, and then they do have the minimum right next to it, so I won't be able to put that amount in there today. But if you are wanting to do, you just type in what you want, or you can go through that list and choose. Both simple ways, but as you can see, only 500, so I was unable to invest. So in that same area that we were just at, the buy Vanguard fund, so since I didn't have enough to actually put it in, I'm selecting the second option and putting in the additional 500 and 5,000 so I can max out my 2019 contribution. And then right here is where I'm showing you my bank account, and that this is where I'm going to be funding more into it. So I can hit that minimum amount to invest. And then I'm just agreeing to that amount. And then here is just the market summary. So if you ever want to see what's going on in certain markets, you can look right here, do a little investigating and then a little research before you decide on what stocks you want to choose. But they have this all right here in their website.
Alright, so I really hope that you enjoyed this. I hope this was helpful, and I'm excited to see where my Roth goes. And I will do an update so we can see how it grows, and let me know if you signed up. Bye.